Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna show you how to make a very special gift for your mother, sister or your loved ones. We're gonna show you how to make this jewelry stand. I thought of showing you how to make this stand because I saw that it was trending and a lot of people are buying it nowadays. So I thought that it will be a really good idea to show you all how to make this stunning jewelry stand. So the first thing we need to make this jewelry stand is an old stick or metal rods. I had these metal rods already available at home. You can use anything. You can use a stick, or you can also use a branch. You can use anything, but I had these available at home. So for me, this stand is gonna be zero budget. Okay? And all of these things are easily available everywhere and you can find it. Just make sure they're strong enough. Okay? They should be able to support the stand with the jewelry. So next is we need 1 cup of cement. And next we need 2 tissue rolls. One should be short and another should be long, as you can see here. And we also need an empty container. It could be of your choice, but I'm gonna choose a small one. And also keep in mind that the metal rods, one of them should be shorter than the other. Now let's make it. I'm pouring 1 cup of cement into the empty container and I'm gonna add water. Okay, that's enough. Now I am gonna start mixing it. It was not enough, so I'm gonna add 1 more cup of cement. A little bit more water, and now after mixing it, when it's completely done, I'm gonna take Vaseline and another same size empty container and I'm gonna grease it nicely and properly, completely from the inside. All the corners should be thoroughly greased. The entire box from the inside should be thoroughly greased, and then the entire cement should be poured into this container. Now that it's completely leveled, now what we have to do is insert these 2 metal rods inside the cement. Carefully, we should make sure that the rods are straight. I'm gonna keep this bottle in between to maintain the distance and also support the rods till they dry. So now I'm gonna tape it, which will add extra support to the metal rods and keep them straight till the cement dries. Okay, now that we have set it completely, I'm gonna leave it to dry for 24 hours and I'm gonna see you after it completely dries. Now it has completely dried, and now I'm gonna remove off the tape and get rid of the bottle, and now I'm gonna turn it and it's easily going to come off. See, it easily came off. It perfectly came out. Now I'm gonna add gold spray paint on the metal rods. Now it's completely painted. Now I am gonna cover these tissue rolls with decorative paper. You can use any colored paper or any paper actually, but I like this, so I'm gonna use the decorative paper to cover the rolls. Now I'm gonna cover it, and just like that, it's covered. See? So now what we have to do is make a hole exactly in the middle of the tissue roll of both. We have to make a hole in both the tissue rolls, but it should be exactly in the middle, and it should be quite bigger. Okay, I'm gonna tell you later why. You see, I've also applied paper on the edges. Now what we're gonna do is put some hot glue inside the hole. You can use any glue, even Fevicol works okay, but hot glue is stronger. Now I also applied glue on top of the rod to make it stick better. Now that's done with, now we have to do out the smaller roll. We are gonna apply hot glue inside there. And we are also going to put some hot glue on the top of the smaller rod. Now you see, after gluing it, well, that's done. That's it. The jewelry stand is complete. Now I'm going to add some of my mother's jewelry. I'm gonna put some bangles first, and then I'm gonna put longer jewelry like necklaces, which perfectly also can be hung on this. See, it's really long, but still it's perfectly hung on this. See how much jewelry can be put on this one stand. That's my bracelet. Even men's accessories can be put on this stand. That's my younger brother's bracelets. See, our amazing and stunning stand is complete. It looks amazing. It's beautiful. See, it's amazing, and it can be easily made at home. Stay tuned because there's more coming. Thank you for watching.